Hey there, in this tutorial I guide you how to make a zip file on Windows. There are some options to make zip file on Windows, but in this video I show the easiest way to make zip file on Windows. Before starting the tutorial, please consider to subscribe our channel and also like the video. Now let's start. First go to the path where you want to make a zip file. Now here you need to create a folder. For this, click on right button of the mouse and then at the bottom show more option. Now new, then folder. Now write a name of the folder. In my case, I write my channel name. You can write anything as you want. Now press enter. Now all of element move here. Now select the folder and also right click, then scroll down, show more option, and here send to and then compressed zip folder. Now our zip is ready. See here, there are create a new version of this folder and this is the zip folder. Now we get a zip file on our Windows. That's it. This is very easy. Now please consider to subscribe our channel and also like the video. Thank you.